Hi everybody, I'm Mr. Stefan. My name is Visiton Anansuhiran. My friends call me Boom. I'm a second year student from BSAC, Chulalongkorn University. Today my topic is periodic table, and the title of my article is Stability and Hydrogen Storage Properties of Various Metal Decorated Benzene Complex. There is a part in this article mentioned that most metals from the first to the fourth period of the periodic table can be strongly absorbed on the benzene surface, except for beryllium, sodium, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. Before we know about this, we need to know about the periodic table. So now I will show you the periodic table. This is the periodic table. There are 118 elements in the periodic table with 7 period and 18 groups. So you can see from this picture that there are many colors in the periodic table. Each color refers to each type of elements. This is the key so we know which color is which type of elements. Okay, so now we know each color is each type of elements. Okay, here this is metalloid, like the stars. This is the middle between metals and non-metals. So this is very common non-metals: carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, and this is group 17 is halogen, and group 18 is noble gas, which is the most stable element because they are 8 electron in their valence electron. So now you know about the non-metal, but what we want to know is about the metal. So again, I show you the periodic table. This one, the first group is alkali earth metal. It's a less stable element because there are only one electron in their valence shell. And this is alkali earth metal. This pink element in the middle is transition metal. Okay, down here, we have lantinoid and actinoid. So we will not concern about that much. What we have to know is the metal, but before I tell you about the metal, we have to know how to read the periodic table. Okay, this is the key, how to read the periodic table. Atomic number refers to the number of protons in the element. So from this example, we have number 2 for atomic number. Show that this element have 2 protons. Proton is the one that fix that the element is the element. I mean, the number of proton. If the number of protons change, the elements change. Atomic symbol is like the short name of the element. For this example, is He, which is helium. Atomic mass is same as molecular weight of the elements. In this example, is 4. So the atomic mass refers to neutron and the proton of the elements. How we can know? We can know by using the atomic mass subtract with the atomic number. In this example, we know that we have two protons. So if you want to know the neutron, the number of neutron, we use 4 and subtract it with 2. So we have 2 neutrons. Okay, so now I will tell you about the metal. As I mentioned before, what we will concern is the metal from the first period to the fourth period, which is lithium, beryllium, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, and gallium. So as I told you before that there are some metal in the first to the fourth period that is not strongly absorbed at the benzene surface, which are sodium, manganese, potassium, and zinc. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for your